Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to change birthday on Discord. So basically inside of Discord here is no option to change birthday. So you have to open a new tab and type here Discord help and open this first link, Discord support, submit a request, and you have to select here trust and safety and enter here your Discord account email address. How can we help? Click here and select Apple's age updates and click here and select update my age information and check this option, and you can attach your phone number here and give here your valid birth information or birth date and check this option and give your subject how to change my birth date and enter here description, and you can attach a file from here, and after that all you have to need just click on submit and Discord will change your birth date. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.